Hello girls and guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to RoboThoughts, and we are on lesson number 89, Python coding on Jetson Nano. Alright guys, in this lesson I am going to show you for loop in a continuous statement, how we are going to use the statement called continue within that for loop, right? It's going to be a little different. So basically with the keyword called continue, which is also a statement, we can stop the current iteration of the loop and continue with the next iteration, right? You can have multiple iterations. You can stop a particular iteration and continue with the next iteration. So that's how it works. So let me show you with an example so that you can understand, right? Let me open my terminal and I'm in my Jetson Nano. Let me clear this window. Sorry, terminal. I am not supposed to use window. Alright guys, so let's get in. Let's open our previous hold on, what was the name? I think it was for, right? Okay, nano for.py. Alright, this was the previous example of break. Let me delete this code and let's create a new one. Fruits equal, okay, square bracket, apple, comma, grapes. Where is my open code, double quote? There you go, comma, and then let's give another one, banana. Okay, let me close it with a square bracket. Now for x in fruit colon, okay, and then indentation, if x equals banana, and then again indentation, this time two indentation. All right, continue. Because why twice the indentation? Because it has to be within that if loop, so there needs to be space, two space. All right, white space. Now let's say print is supposed to be below if. Let's say print x. Now let's see what happens. Control O, enter, Control X. Okay, I am on my Nano, I am on my Jetson terminal. Let's open the Python file from the terminal. Python 3 for.py. Man, what was the syntax mistake here? Let me just take a look. Nano for.py. Fruits, this seems to be correct. Fruits, grapes, and then for, okay, for x in fruits, and then the if indentation, x equals to banana. Oh man, okay, I am supposed to give a colon here. See, can you see guys, it's a very simple mistake, right? Okay, now let me save it. Control O, enter, Control X, Python 3 for.py. There you go, you got it right. So how you can continue after a specific set. Alright guys, now that's all about it for this particular example, and I hope you understood how this particular continue statement works within the loop, right? You can just stop anywhere and then continue, and then you can apply a break and then again continue. All those stuffs you can just play around. Guys, I'm giving you all these small examples just for you to understand the basic logic and flow. Now it's up to you how you can combine all this together and build a solid stuff. You got to practice and practice. All right, I'll see you soon guys in the next video. Thank you.